Let's try this again, but with sound. Hang on. Right. Right, I'm just going to put half a cup of cold water in. Right? I'm going to shut it. Switch it on. Right, defrost weight, defrost time. Right, I don't want it on defrost, so I want to stop that. It doesn't stop the actual cooking, look. Right, I'm going to put it on express, 15 seconds. Just ignore them marks there. That's great. Oh my lord! I know. Swear my fingerprints have been on it. Well, the 15. What a nightmare. So that should be counting down, I reckon, but it isn't, is it? Right, it's just carried on going, and I've used express. So let's open it and see if it's any warmer. No, it's still flat cold. So we will try 1 minute. See, it's that. Oh my lord. Why does it look like there's chuffing fingerprints all over it when I haven't even touched it? It's a lovely microwave as well. Now that should have stopped again. So let's try, see if it's warm. No, it's still flat cold. What else can we try? 2-stage cooking, no. Right, it's on highest power level, number 10. But it's not working at all. Do you see what I mean? That should stop. It's not. The only thing that stops it is if I open door. See, that is still flat cold. So, I've no idea. Help.